Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today is August 9th. It's about 10 a.m. Eastern here in US. I want to bring you an update for Ethereum. It's trading around 363 right now, and the reason I want to bring it up is it's becoming it's at the oversold level right now, and the risk to reward for getting into this trade is looking rather nicely right now. Okay, so let's really walk it through, and I will give you some of the upside resistance level and some support level on the downside as well, if in case if we have further downside. Okay, so if you remember back in April, it made the newer low for 2018, which was around 360, and since then, it had a massive rally from that 360 level to almost 800 plus within the month of April. So within almost a month, it made more than 100% gain in Ethereum. So we are coming to the same level right now, where we are sitting at this 363, which was a previous support as well, and now it's coming to a point where it's quite oversold, and I won't be surprised if we get some relief rally in Ethereum and a lot of the other altcoins as well. But the Ethereum, the reason I like it because it's very oversold compared to the other coins, and there is a really fundamental value behind Ethereum and a good team behind it as well. Okay, so that's a couple of reasons that I do like Ethereum. It's a very mainstream coin after Bitcoin, so it's very well known, well established, and when you are getting it at the discount, that's always a good thing. Okay, so this coin again trading around 360, 364 right now, looking rather attractive. It's quite oversold. I'm looking at the daily, but let's go on the smaller time frame. Let's look at the 8-hour time frame, and if I look at the 8-hour time frame, you see that on the RSI it's quite oversold. We are just getting some bounce from that oversold mark, and I expect it to go up at least up to 409, 410. See, that will be the first level of resistance that I expect Ethereum to run into. Okay, so 410 will be the next level of resistance that I'm expecting Ethereum to run into, and then we have if we can get through that, we have 455, and then it's going to be around 500. Okay, so there are a couple of resistance levels that we need to get through in order to make that $500 plus mark, but that all will depend on how significant is the bounce, what kind of volume we are getting into this bounce, and how it is holding on to it. Are we holding on to those gains, or are they just like short-term gains? All right, the main thing, thing that I want to say is overall it's quite again, I want to reiterate that the risk to reward is quite good here. It doesn't look attractive to get into this kind of coins when everything is selling, but remember, you want to buy it when everyone is selling, just like when you wanna when everyone is buying, you want to sell it. Okay, so please try to get that concept in your head. You don't want to be following the crowd, because in this kind of situation, when everyone is selling, you get the best opportunity and the best discounts, and that's what I'm seeing in a lot of these coins, Ethereum being one of them. Okay, so and especially it's at the level that we saw back in April, and since after that level we had a massive rally up. So I mean, this is getting Ethereum at 360 level is really good price. Okay, alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any question, post it in the comment. I will do some other altcoins. Just wanted to cover Ethereum because it was quite oversold, and it's again one of the mainstream coin that a lot of people know about. Obviously the fundamentals are good. The team behind Ethereum, they are quite solid. So they have all those boxes are checked for Ethereum. All right, we'll talk to you soon.